In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram carousel in Adobe Express. Now to do this, first you want to open Adobe Express, you want to go to the top left and click on this plus button, and then from here you want to go to create, and you want to go to the top right and look for Instagram carousel, okay? You can just type in a carousel like this, and as you can see here it is, we have the Instagram carousel. Now you want to click on it, and then in here you're going to have two options really. The first one is going to be, of course, creating it from scratch, or you could also go to templates and use any of the templates available over here. So I'm just going to go from scratch here just to show you how to actually do this, okay? Now you can of course add content and text over here. You can upload your media, you can see your stuff and things like that. I'm going to just go and basically add a text on here. I'm just going to click on add a title, and I'm going to type in, for example, page 1 like that, and I'm going to leave it over here. And then I'm also going to go to add content, and I'm going to just add some content over here, for example, some AI images which are generated in here just like this. I'm gonna actually move this up a bit like that. There we go. And let's just pretend this is gonna be your first page. Of course, you can add things on here like media. You have the option to generate it, you can upload it, you can add music, stuff like that. You can also add on elements like design assets, backgrounds, shapes, icons, stickers. You have a bunch of different things you can add. And then you have charts and grids over here, and also generative AI, where you can generate images, videos, templates, text effects, or whatever you want to, okay? So whenever you've done this, of course, we're creating an Instagram carousel, so it can't have just one page. So this is the first page. If you want to add a new one, click on add page over here, and you can go and select custom or same size. I'm going to do same size. And there we go, we have the second page of our carousel over here, just like this. And you can of course go and design this one as well. You could also go and duplicate them if you wanted to. So I'm just going to go and add content over here. I'm going to add some text, and I'm going to type on page 2, for example, put it up top like that. There we go. And I'm going to add some elements. For this example, let's actually just add like a shape on here, and then we're going to also add something else like a chart and grid, maybe like that. There we go. And of course, that way you can customize and create your own carousels. Now, you can go and upload your images by going to upload over here. You can find your image you want to upload, and you can just basically upload it, okay? So for example, this one, I can do it just like that. I have my image in here, and I can now go and create a new one, okay? So I'm just going to actually duplicate the previous one, and I'm going to have this as page 3 over here. There we go. Let's say this is now my carousel, okay? Of course, you can add as many pages as you want to your carousel as long as you are within the Instagram limit. So, of course, it may change, so make sure you actually check it out what the limit is. But whenever you're done, whenever you created your carousel, which, of course, you probably know how to do this by now, it's super simple, you can just go and actually design slide by slide and then click on this download button at the top right. So you want to click on it, and you want to go and select all pages over here, and the file format can be whatever you want here. You can go PNG for best images, and you could also do like JPEG over here for small file sizes and stuff like that. And it's basically going to save your slides as a zip file. So I'm going to select JPEG here. I'm going to select the size as it is. I'm going to click on download. Now, as you can see, it's now downloading, and it's going to be downloaded in a second. There we go. And as you can see here, as I told you, there's actually going to be like a zip folder. So to actually get your images, what you want to do is open that specific zip folder. So let me actually open this for you. There we go. Here it is. You have to right click it, and you have to go to extract all, and then click on extract, and then it's going to extract it, and inside this folder you will find your images just like this, which you can then go and use in your Instagram carousel, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.